Here's the second type of solving quadratics using factoring. For solving quadratics, we always want, when factoring, to equal 0. Right now, this is equal to negative 2x. So what I need to do is I need to get that equal to 0. So I have to get rid of the negative 2x by adding 2x to both sides. My 2x's will cancel and I'm left with 0 now, which is what I want. That 2x combines with the 8x, so my x squared stays the same. 8x plus 2x is 10x, and the 9 stays the same. Now since it is equal to 0, I can go ahead and go right to factoring. Now I recognize that on the left side, that is a sum and product problem that we did the last unit. So what I'm going to do is I'm listing my factors of the last term of 9. So 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. I now make my factoring frames and I still equal that to 0. I get x squared by x and x, and I ask myself what factors of 9 will give me a 10? 1 and 9. I know I need to multiply to be a positive, so that's a positive and a positive, or a negative and a negative. I want a positive 10 to be adding, so I'm going to do a plus and a plus. Now, the next step, since we have that equal to 0, what I need to do is set each of the parentheses equal to 0. So what I'm going to do, let's erase this over here so I have enough room. So I am setting my first parenthesis, x plus 1, equaling that to 0, and my second set, x plus 9, equaling that to 0. I need to get my variable by itself. So I subtract 1 from both sides. My 1's cancel, and I'm left with x equals negative 1. So that's my first answer, my first 0. My other one, I subtract 9 from both sides. My 9 will cancel. I'm left with x equals negative 9. My two answers, or to my two x, or my two zeros, they're all called the same thing, is x equals negative 1 and x equals negative 9. Now go ahead and try this one in your group, and then when you get to your home groups, you'll have to have them try it and you're going to help them out.